Roadmap to become a network engineer. What does a network engineer do? A network engineer designs, builds, and manages computer networks to ensure reliable and secure communication. Where it's used, networks are used everywhere, from offices and data centers to cloud systems and the internet. Start with the basics, understand networking fundamentals, like OSI model, TCP/IP, and how data flows in a network. Learn IP addressing, learn subnetting, DNS, DHCP, and how devices communicate over networks. Understand routing and switching, learn how routers and switches work to direct and manage network traffic. Work with network devices, get hands-on with routers, switches, and firewalls. Learn network security, understand firewalls, VPNs, and how to secure networks from threats. Monitor and troubleshoot, use tools to analyze traffic, detect issues, and maintain network performance. Explore cloud networking, learn how networking works in cloud platforms, like AWS or Azure. Learn automation basics, use scripting tools like Python to automate network tasks. Build real labs, practice using tools like Packet Tracer or GNS3 to simulate networks. Be ready for challenges, troubleshooting complex issues, and managing large networks can be challenging. Think like an engineer, focus on reliability, security, and performance. Build strong networks, start your journey today, and become a network engineer powering digital connectivity.